What's happening?
And, I still got the hose on the bottom hose is still cold.
Okay.
I need the hose to be hot.
Okay. Do I drive some more?
Yeah, you're gonna have to drive it some more.
Okay.
I need, you still got it on heat or you put the AC?
I still got on.
You got it on heat?
It's just halfway.
My year of art and auto repair continued as I worked on my SUV and visited a couple of art fairs in Dallas. Turns out I was off by 1 block. Checked my Google map the second time and it brought me to the right place. The Dallas Art Fair has been held at the Fashion Industry Gallery for 16 years now, a little longer than I've had my SUV. Y puedo reportar que es en mejor condición también. I really enjoyed seeing the Dallas Art Fair. A lot of cool work there. Traditional media, some experimental work. I always enjoy seeing work that makes me guess as to how it was made. Something that looks different, like media used in a non-traditional way, mixed media. I saw some cool paintings with an underglaze, but they look like these kind of very roughly made abstract paintings on boxes. I like it when I'm surprised like that. It's the holiday weekend. We tried to take a trip, but the RAV4 started hesitating about an hour up the highway. I said, hey, we better turn around, come back home while we still can. Anyway, I'm spending my Memorial Day working on the RAV. I think it's a fuel line issue. My friend Cal took a look and helped me take off the old fuel filter when it got a replacement. Gotta see if I can put it on myself. Auto repair is a lot like art fairs. There are traditional venues, like mechanics garages, or the Dallas Art Fair. And then there's DIY auto repair, more my style. Like the other art fair, centered around artists who make, promote, and sell their own work. Outside of the gallery system, me gusta la onda de indie. I like the indie vibe with its freedom and hustle.
If it wasn't for them tearing it up, I wouldn't have a job. Same time, like, customer calls me in, they're like, "We're sorry about this." Like, don't be, dude. I'm happy to be here. Let me fix your thing.
Today I went to look for my friend, Ivanevid. Busco por mi amigo, whose abstract paintings I first saw at Plush Gallery. Ivan es de CDMX. He's from Mexico City, where he began as a street artist, a muralist, and is now marketing his work as an independent artist. Yo fui a los otros puestos. I visited the other artists' booths to see their works and reflect on my own, mostly DIY life of art and auto repair.
I'll have to see to find out.
Okay.
Try it.
About to fire it up. Go. Glad Cal knows what he's doing because I don't know what I'm doing. And with that, I was back on the endless road, which is Dallas.
Poultice down in the desert, desert. Pour, alrighty, mix 96, swan.